Get ready to embark on a wild culinary adventure as we explore some of the weirdest foods from around the world. Balut, Philippines. A fertilized duck egg with a partially developed embryo inside. You crack it open and eat the yolk, broth, and even the tiny bird with its soft bones. It's considered a delicacy and is often enjoyed with a pinch of salt and vinegar. Casu Margiu, Italy. A Sardinian cheese infested with live maggots. The cheese is so soft that it leaks, and the maggots jump when disturbed. Some locals eat it while the maggots are still wriggling. The EU has banned it, but it's still secretly consumed. Hakarl, Iceland. Fermented Greenland shark meat that smells like ammonia, rotting urine. It has an incredibly strong, pungent taste. Icelanders eat it as a tradition, often chased with a strong drink to numb the taste. Century egg, China. A preserved duck, chicken, or quail egg that turns black and jelly-like after being cured for weeks or months in clay and ash. It has a strong ammonia and sulfur smell, like rotten eggs, but it's actually considered a delicacy. Erez, Mongolia. Fermented horse milk that's slightly alcoholic. It's tangy, fizzy, and has a sour aftertaste, like drinking a mix of yogurt and beer. Mongolians consider it a refreshing summer drink. Tuna eyeballs, Japan. Giant fish eyeballs, boiled or steamed and served with soy sauce. The texture is soft, gelatinous, and slightly chewy, with a fishy aftertaste. It's packed with protein, but it might feel like the eyeball is staring back at you. Eskimos, Mexico. Ant larvae, also known as insect caviar, often eaten in tacos. The thought of eating insect eggs might sound gross, but locals describe them as tasting buttery and nutty. It's an expensive delicacy. Surströmming, Sweden. Fermented herring that smells like rotten garbage. Even Swedes eat it outdoors to avoid stinking up their homes. When the can is opened, the smell is so bad it has made people vomit. Jellied moose nose, Canada. A moose's snout boiled, cooled, and turned into a jelly. The nose is full of cartilage and fat, giving it a rubbery texture. It's a traditional dish among indigenous communities. We've explored some bizarre foods, but the weirdest one is still ahead. Before the big reveal, what's the craziest food you've ever tried? Share in the comments. Fried tarantulas, Cambodia. Large, crispy fried spiders sold as street food. Imagine biting into spider legs with their hairy texture and gooey insides. Some say they taste like soft-shell crab, but others find them too terrifying to eat.